Hello guys, welcome to another day of my life. Here's another vlog with Diana, and today's video is all about cleanliness and taking care of my home, especially the bathroom, because I want to do like a little makeover to my bathroom. So I want to clean it nice, change a little bit, change couple of stuff. So I'm gonna go buy couple of stuff in the store, and I'm gonna show you in a little bit what I got, and then I'm gonna do the makeover. And I hope you guys like it and enjoy my video. So let's go. Alright, I'm here. I'm trying to do a makeover to my bathroom so I can to the store, and I wanna see if I get some curtain and couple of stuff. So let me show you what I see over here. This is, I think I'm gonna get one of those over there. I need something for the inside the curtain, and I need something like this. So I got this, I don't know, and from here I'm trying to figure it out, but anyway, I'll let you know when I get home. So now I'm in the bathroom, and let me show you how this look, because the bathroom gotta look nice and shiny. This is the bathroom, how it looks right now. During the week we always doing a mess, so I gotta change this thing, this, and couple of stuff over here. I gotta clean the bathroom, steady. This is broke, so so let's do that now, and I will show you the reveal after. Let me show you everything that I got. Yes, for my bathroom makeover. So let me show you. Let's get over here so you guys can see. So I got this nice rug. So, what do you guys think? Where until I put it? Right? I got this towel for the bathroom. We can dry our hands. Little things like this. I like it. I like when my bathroom is nice and clean. I got this little skirt for the sink, and I was trying to make a match, but anyway, let's see how it's gonna look, how it's gonna come out. And then I had this nice design bathroom, bath set. This is really cool because it matched the towel, and also I had this. So I'm gonna do that now, clean the bathroom, and I will show you the final results. So stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, this is how it looks so far. Right, this gotta go. Garbage. And I gotta clean this here a little bit. Too much mess. I gotta put some. So pray for me that I don't pass out, because I'm gonna use Comex to clean this bathroom, and I'm gonna use Clorox. Of course, as a Dominican that I am, I need strong detergents. So pray for me that I don't pass out. I'm gonna spray in this area. Let me show you. I'm gonna spray it so all the black goes away. I still have to buy, something for this. I don't know. But for now, I'm gonna use what I have. And then I'm gonna open the window, and here we go. Whew. and let the smell goes away. And let's now do this part over here. Alright guys, let me give you an update how the bathroom is looking. I already cleaned a lot. So I already cleaned the toilet. I'm trying to clean all these marks. I put some detergent over there, cleaning all the corners. I clean over here, I clean here, I clean all of this. So this is looking better. All the mess over there is gone. So here we go. Oh my god, oh my god, look at this bathroom. Starling Grace. Look at this. Mira, mi amor. Look at this. Nice curtain. Everything nice and clean. I put my skirt, even though it's have some wrinkles. Look at my mat. Beautiful. Towel. Regular towel over here. Put this little decoration. Smell. Everything's so nice. This I forgot to buy, but it's okay. Anyways, nice and organized everything. I love it. Smell nice. Clean floor. Garbage empty. And Diana happy. I love it. Okay guys, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like it and enjoy my video in my bathroom, in my makeover bathroom. So that was it for today. It took me a long time, but I'm so happy, so clean. This is like my second room. So this is not a fancy bathroom, but I'm happy with what I have. So you should be grateful too. So don't follow social media that everything has to be perfect. No, this is the real deal. So comment below and let me know if you like this video. So see you in another one. Bye.